In this video, we will see how to center a title in Excel without merging cell. Okay, let's start. This is my Excel data. I want to center here title. I just enter first my title, cells data. Now I want to merge. I want to center this title without merging the data. Okay, just select this full range of cell. Right click of the mouse, click on the format cell, click on alignment, click on the horizontal, click on the center across selection and click on OK. You can see here without merging the cell, you get center in a title, center a title. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.